welcome back to another video. I am so excited about showing you all of these products each week. I have another product that this one, I don't know, they're all my favorite, but this one I have not used yet. I have not opened it up, so that is going to be what's special about this is we're gonna do it together. But just what it is alone, I think I'm just gonna love it so much. So if you have been following some of my reels and try on videos lately, I have a sign, like it's a cute little hanger and it's just like to, you know, jazz up the video so you guys aren't watching it like which I hope you are not, and if you are, let me know and I'll try to be better, okay? But Nala, do you want to say hi? Nala, say hello. Good job, baby. So I wanted Nala to say hello because Nala, hold on, we gotta say it one more time. Ready? Nala, say hello. Good job, baby. You did it. Good job, baby. Here, come in the camera. You did good job, baby. I love you. Yeah. Good job, baby. You're the best. You're the best, my baby. So the reason why I had Nala say hello is one, because I adore her and she's the best dog on the planet. But because, ready? Ding! Look what it says in the back. It says, good job, baby! Did you guys hear that? She said hello. Thank you for helping Mama. Thank you for helping Mama with the video. Thank you, babe. You did a good job. You did a good job, baby. Sign is light your life up. And the sign says hello, beautiful. And I love the packaging. It's so pretty. It's all these colors. It says it's easy to use, which I'm sure it is. You just plug it into a wall adapter or a computer or USB port to turn it on. So it can be powered many ways. It can be powered through the USB port on your computer or an adapter. So that is very cool. You don't have to drill holes. It's easy for hanging if you want, or you can. It comes with stuff like that. Let's see, what else? Oh, it's in a couple other languages, so that's cool. And yeah, I'm really excited to unbox this with you guys. This hook right here, and it comes with this, like, I guess this is a chain to hang it if you want to hang it. And then here's the fun part. I'm so excited about this, you guys. So excited. Alright, let's see here. Look, it says hello, beautiful. Oh my goodness. Here's the USB. It has 3 buttons here. I think it's dimmable because there's the power, there's the plus sign, and the minus sign. So let's just plug this in. Let's not waste any time. So I'm just gonna plug it in. Look, you guys. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Nala, what do you think? Do you like it? Do you like it, baby? You can't even see my face anymore. This is so cool. Because when I do videos, bam, bam. Ah, look at that, you guys. So this is its lowest setting. That's the highest setting. So let's leave it on its lowest setting for now. You guys, this is the content creator part of segment of the video where you learn how to make makeshift things in a small space to make it look nice on camera. Oh, that was just like a little bit higher. What else could we put now? It was just a little bit higher. This one, it could have fit right here. Don't be scared, babe. It's okay. Look at that. I'm gonna slide over. It's gonna be part of the video now. You see where it says hello, beautiful? And I'm beautiful, right? I just get a kick out of these things. But yeah, so here's the sign. And I'm gonna find a place to probably hook it up. I'm thinking Yeah, I hope you like this quick little review. I'll play with it a little bit, and prior to editing I'll try to put some clips. But I hope you like this product as much as I do. I'm very excited to use it. And yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't, you can definitely give it a thumbs down. Let me know. I'll try to work on being better. I always love constructive criticism, and I'm very grateful for this channel. I'm very grateful for you guys. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed and you want to see me be weird, please click that subscribe button. And yeah, till my next video, that's all.